Hello, children. Hope you all are doing good. Children, daily you like to eat. For breakfast, you eat something idli, dosa, puri, like this, isn't it? So, for lunch, you are taking rice, chapati, roti, sabji, like this. For dinner, also you take rice, roti, as you wish, isn't it? So, every day we are going to eat food, isn't it? So, children, if we don't eat food, what happens? Yes, if you don't eat food, you may fall sick, isn't it? So, you feel very nervous. You feel like I don't have any energy. If your mama tell you something to do work, you will tell, Mama, I am not feeling well. I don't do that work. Even your brain will also not work, because that also need food. If you don't eat anything, then your food will not reach to your brain, even your all body parts. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಥರ, ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈವನ್ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಅನ್ಈಸಿನೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫುಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೀವು ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಮೇ ಫಾಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, like this, here see the varieties of the foods which I am showing you on the screen today. See, can you name them? What we have here, the first we have rice, and next we have wheat, isn't it? Next we have maize. Next we have jowar, and next green gram, and next dal, and even you have ragi, millet, beetroot, banana, and next you have Bengal gram, onion, cabbage, brinjal, cucumber, potato, snake gourd, ridge gourd. See, there are so many vegetables and grains all there, isn't it? So children, we are taking all these grains, vegetables, fruits. We are including them in the either breakfast or in the dinner or in the lunch, isn't it? Even you are taking the apple, tomato, and here we have milk. Every day you used to drink a glass of milk in the morning as well as in the evening, isn't it? So next we have here egg, fish, so meat. These are also your food. So children, can you tell me the foods which are coming from the plants? Here you saw so many vegetables, so many food items, isn't it? So some of the foods are coming from the plants and some of them are coming from the animals. For example, we are getting the foods like rice, ragi, green gram, banana, apple, maize, and cucumber, carrot, beetroot, and even the millet, cauliflower, potato. So even the spinach, radish, dal, rice, green gram. So these all are in many more. There are so many varieties. These all are coming from the plants itself. What is the source of these foods, children? All these foods are coming from the plants. So we are taking the foods coming from the plants. Not only from these plants, we are taking food from animals also. Do you know which foods we are getting from the animals? See, a glass of milk which you are drinking in the morning and in the evening, that is coming from the cow. And even we used to have a butter, cheese. You like to eat pizza, isn't it? So that cheese, the topping which you are eager to eat, very yummy food which we call that one pizza, that is the cheese has came from the animal, that is cow. And even your favorite yogurt, buttermilk, or even butter, ghee, so these all are the products of the milk itself, children. So it is coming from nothing but cow itself, because milk is coming from the cow. By using the milk, we are making these all products. For example, yogurt, buttermilk, butter, ghee, cheese, these all things. Even your favorite food, egg, it is coming from the hen, isn't it? So this is also coming from the animal. And next comes here meat. So that is also coming from the animals, isn't it? For example, you can say chicken, or it is coming from a goat, sheep, whatever. So next comes here fish. Here you used to eat fish also, even prawn, shrimps, those things. So these foods are coming from the mainly animals, isn't it? So children, we get food from plants as well as animals. So here on the screen I am showing you some of the food items, and you have to tell me that whether it is coming from the plant or from the animals. If the food is coming from the plant, you have to put a green dot. If it is coming from the animal, then put a red dot over there. Okay children, shall we start? See, the first we have here rice. From where it is coming? Yes, it is from plant. So what we have to do here? We have to put green dot. So next comes here fish. So it is from animal. What we have to do here? Put a red dot. Next comes here on the screen brinjal. It comes from plants or animal? Yes, plants. So put green dot over there. So next comes green peas. It comes from again plants. Put again green dot. Next comes a glass of milk. It comes from animals. Put red dot over there. And next comes black pepper. So these black peppers are coming from the plants itself. So put green dot over there. And next we have on the screen ladyfinger. So here it is coming from the plants. Put green dot. Next we have meat. So that is coming from the animals. You have to put red dot. Next we have chili. So either it may be red chili or a green chili, isn't it? So it is coming from the plants. What we have to do, children, here? We have to put green dot. Next we have curd. So it is coming from the animal. So what we have to do here? Put red dot. Next we have cucumber. So this is again coming from the plant. Put green dot over there. And next we have spinach. Spinach again, it is a vegetable, isn't it? So it is coming from what? Plants. So put green dot over there. And next we have tea, a cup of tea. Tell me, children, from where we are getting this? Tea powder is coming from the tree or a plant, isn't it? And even the sugar is coming from the tree plant itself, that is from sugar cane. And the milk which you are using in that tea, it is coming from the what? Cow. So here what you have to do? You have to put red or green. So this product is mix of both. Just leave it. So next here we have maize. So that comes from the, what is that? Yes, plants. Put a green dot. Next we have ragi. So children, that is also coming from the plants. Put green dot over there. So children, you came to know throughout this, what we came to know? Yes, the foods which are coming from the plant, we put for that a green dot, and the food which are coming from the animals, that we have put a red dot. You came to know how to separate the foods which are coming from the plants and the foods which are coming from the animals, isn't it? So this is clear for you. So children, here in the vegetables or in the food, there are so many varieties. Among them, we eat some foods raw. For example, here on the screen, I have carrot. Can you eat this one raw, children? Yes, we can eat this one raw. If you eat this vegetable raw, it is very healthy, isn't it? To be healthy, you have to eat this vegetable raw itself. You can cook also, but if you eat raw, it is more better. So next here we have on the screen tomato. See children, it is very tasty and it is good for your health if you eat it raw. So next we have on the screen is called radish. Children, this vegetable is bit hot. People used to eat this raw only because it is very healthy. See children, you can eat these vegetables by cooking also. Here, some foods, if you eat them raw, it will give you more benefits. That's why you have to try to eat them as much as possible raw itself. Okay, so next here we have on the screen apple. You might be heard this word, this line maybe, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. If you eat apple regularly, then you may not fall sick. So it is very healthy, children, so you have to eat this raw only. So next here we have cucumber. It is very tasty and you would love to have it as raw for your meal or a breakfast or for dinner. It is very yummy. You can make salad out of it. So this is also very healthy if you eat it raw. And next we have on the screen, what is that, children? That is banana. So banana you usually eat raw itself because it's very yummy, tasty, isn't it? So children, these are the vegetables which we can eat raw. And if you eat that raw only, you will get more benefit out of it. ನೀವು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ರಾ ತಿಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಮೋರ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವೈ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ದೆಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ದೆಮ್ ಥರೋಲಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ while you eating the such kind of foods. Okay children, so here some of the foods which we cannot eat raw. For example, rice, wheat, or grains, pulses, or you can say tur dal, green gram. So these all you cannot eat raw. You need for that cooking. ಸೊ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನಿ, ರಾಗಿ, ಮೀಟ್, ಫಿಶ್, egg, these all things you have to cook and eat, isn't it? So children, you came to know about which foods you can eat raw and which foods you cannot eat them as they are. You have to cook them before eating, isn't it? So children, today you came to know about these all things. So what you do in the everyday life, first you take breakfast before going to school, isn't it? Along with your parents, along with your brother, sister, you used to sit with them and have your breakfast, and then you will go to school. And then after during your lunch break, you used to have your lunch along with your friends. After reaching your home, you used to have fruits or snacks, isn't it? Which is made up of vegetables or any grains. Or you can eat fruits. And then in the night, you are going to have dinner along with your family, mama, papa, brother, sister, or you can say grandma, grandpa, isn't it? So all you were sitting together and having meals with them and enjoying too, isn't it? So this is the method, children, how you are taking the food in your day-to-day life. So for cooking the food, you are using certain kinds of vessels in your home, isn't it? You might be noticed. For making roti, we used to use tawa, isn't it? And we have kadai, utensils, pot. There are so many utensils you can use for cooking purpose. Do you know, children? The animals also need food, isn't it? Like us. ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಮೊದಲು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಟು, isn't it? So this is because you are taking food regularly. So like us children, even ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾಯಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಮೊದಲು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ, isn't it? So like that, for animals, they also need food, isn't it? So here the cow, what it eats? Yes, it eats grass. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕೌಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಫುಡ್? ಗ್ರಾಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿಶ್. ಫಿಶ್ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. It eats that. And next we have on the screen sheep. Sheep used to eat small plants. And next we have, what is that animal? Elephant. An elephant like to eat sugarcane. You know that, right? So next we have on the screen lizard. Children, you might be noticed in your home, the lizard is catching the insects, isn't it? So it like to eat insects. So next we have on the screen, what is that? Rabbit, isn't it? Rabbit love to eat carrot. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಲಯನ್. ಲಯನ್ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ? ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಜೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟಿ ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಯನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ pigeon. So the pigeon likes to eat grains. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಪಿಜನ್, ಕ್ರೌ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವಿರಲ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವಿರಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ನಟ್ಸ್. It might be a peanut, groundnut, whatever. So next here we have frog. So frog usually like to eat insects. And next you have on the screen, what is that children? A sparrow, small bird. That is also like to eat grains. And what you have next? A goat. This goat also like to eat small plants. So children, you came to know about the animals and their favorite food also, isn't it? So children, today along with me you learned so many things about the food, variety of food, and the foods which we are getting from the plants and the foods which we are getting from the animals, isn't it? So even the animals also need foods, variety of food they are also eating, isn't it? You also came to know about it today. So children, hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.